In this lesson, I'm going to isolate a shape using the appropriate selection tools to add color when we select that shape. All right, I'm going to put the swatches panel back up here. I'm going to make a new layer and name it blue. Each layer, I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to turn off the color layer and focus on the blue layer now. I'm going to use a light blue for my swatches, and the first tool I'm going to show you is the Lasso tool. Go to the third tool down, which is the selection brush tool. Hold it down and you'll get a menu with different options. Click on the Lasso tool. I'm going to zoom in to this panel. With the Lasso tool, you can drag around the artwork that you want to fill in. Take your time going around the object. If you go off the path, that's okay. You can see that I went off the path here and here. You could press the Shift key with that Lasso tool. Notice there's a plus sign when I press the Shift key. That means that I can add to the selection. I'm going to add around the cheek, come up around her goggles, and then come down here and let go. And that adds a selection to my selection that I already had. So there's a couple different ways we can fill a color into the selection. One way is going to edit, fill, click on the contents dropdown and click on foreground color, and then click OK. But that was a lot to do, wasn't it? I'm going to show you the shortcut key to fill in a foreground color. Let me do a Command Z to go back in time. The shortcut key for filling in the foreground color is, on a Mac, Option, Delete. That's a lot easier, isn't it? Another way you can fill color in is getting the brush tool and painting it in. But painting it in and going to the Edit Fill is extra steps. So I always refer back to the shortcut key, Option, Delete. So that's how you select with the Lasso tool and fill in a color. Command D to deselect. Magic Wand tool. We have to be on the artwork layer for this to work. On the artwork layer, you would select inside of the art. Do you see how it selected that piece right there? You will press the Shift key to select more parts. You could select even more parts, and more parts, and more parts, and more parts. Now, the only thing that I don't like about the Magic Wand tool and the Quick Selection tool is that we have to click on the art layer to select those areas, and then you have to go back to the blue layer to fill those colors in. Do an Option Backspace, and then Command D to deselect. Another reason why I'm not very keen on using the Magic Wand tool is there are areas that the Magic Wand tool didn't pick up. Do you see the white areas in the blue areas? So now that you know those tools, you can figure out which ones you want to use. This lesson will continue in the next video.